We've been using RepairDesk for about a year now, and we've had a great experience with them. Hi, I'm the office manager here at Network Monkeys. My name is Sophia. We've been in business for over 25 years. We do everything from repairing computers, building computers, running cable through buildings, and managing networks. We've been using RepairDesk for about a year now, and we've had a great experience with them. Every time we need anything changed or customized to fit our needs better, they're very willing to change whatever they can or find an accommodation that fits us best. We were using BusyBench previously, and they went out of business. In our hunt for a new work order system, RepairDesk just stood above the rest. They're much more affordable than most of the other ones on the market, but you get more bang for your buck with RepairDesk than other ones that I found. They offer a lot of wonderful features on their systems that you can't really find anywhere else. And we just overall had a really good experience with them.